Hello viewers, if I going to call someone in Messenger showing this error, allow camera access in device settings, error problem in iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all just click on open settings. After clicking on open settings, here you can see camera option. Just enable camera option. And also enable microphone option if it has not enabled. Now go back to home screen, open Messenger, now try to call someone in Messenger. Now see, problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching, stay connected for more updates.